Hello friends, welcome back to our channel DIY Affinity. Today I am going to make 5 different crafts using seashells. For the first idea, I am coating the edge of the seashell using white glue. Then I am going to cover it using glitters. You can use neon colors, neon liners or acrylic colors or even leave it plain. These shell candles are a great option for Diwali decoration and candlelight dinners. After the process, make it dry for at least one day. After that, I am going to place a wick. I am going to fill it using aroma wax. I collected the wax from aroma candle. You can double boil and make the wax. Look at how beautiful it is. The second option is painting the shells. For this option, I prefer plain shells rather the shells with impressions. I am painting a simple beach scenery. You can add any quotes, your favorite quotes, any favorite character or icon in this painting. But I wanted it to be more generic, so I am painting a plain beach scenery. You can even make a hole in the shell and make it a keychain, or simply place it in the table. It looks absolutely adorable. After finishing your painting, make it dry for at least one day. Give a varnish coat to make it waterproof. Look at how beautiful it is. These are very great option for gifting your special ones. The next option is making a planter using seashells. For that, I have taken an empty planter. Again, this is a recycled box. I painted it using blue color. After that, I am making a silhouette of a dolphin. Then I am going to fill it using black color. Again, I made it very simple. You can make whatever you like. You can add different sceneries, different sea animals like starfish, even mermaid. Anything you can add it in this planter. That I am placing the shells in the top of the planter. And again, don't forget to give the varnish coating. Now I am going to make a wall hanging. It is a very simple wall hanging using the readily available materials in the home, only cardboard and color paper. First, I am making these 3 cardboards and covering it using blue color paper. Then I am going to paste it like this using double tape. After that, I am taking a cover, net cover, which came along with vegetables. I am using it to symbolize the net, fish net in the sea. That's why I give blue color paper. You can even paint it. As I don't have star shell, I made one with foam sheet. I am pasting it. After that, I am going to paste the shells, different types of shells I collected in the shore. This is a very easy to make but very elegant wall decor, and you can do it within no time. Look at how beautiful it is. This is my favorite craft of all these crafts. First, I am taking a mason jar. It is a Nutella jar. I am adding sand which I have collected from the beach. After that, I am going to add some stones. You can add literally anything. Whatever you have collected in the beach, you can add anything. I am going to place some shells. Different types of shells and objects I collected in the beach. You can rearrange it according to your wish. Now I am going to add some plants which I have collected in the beach, like this. After that, you can add the picture of your loved ones. Now I'm going to decorate the lid of the jar. Again, you can paint it, you can stick glitter stickers, you can use rhinestones. The option is endless. But again, I'm making it very simple. I'm just covering it with jute thread. And I'm going to cover the top using pattern paper. And close the lid. Ta-da! A beautiful showpiece is ready. This is a customized one, so everyone will love it. Hope you enjoyed all the DIYs. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.